So you want to make some strawberry jam, but you don't feel great about that mountain of sugar you have to drop into it? For this jam recipe, we're going to sweeten it with honey, and you're not even going to need to run to the store because we're going to make this one without pectin as well. Don't even run to grab your canning supplies because this recipe is going to get stored in the freezer. So if you're new to canning, this recipe is super quick and easy and the perfect place to get started. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make honey-sweetened, pectin-free strawberry jam. We're just getting back from a fun day of picking strawberries at our local strawberry patch. And I want to turn some of these juicy fresh strawberries into strawberry jam. The first thing I need to do is wash, hull, and cut in half 5 cups of strawberries. And if you're using local fresh strawberries like we are here, you'll notice that they're usually a lot smaller and there'll be a juicy rosy pink color all the way through to the center. These berries are grown for their flavor, not their shelf-life like the ones you'd find at the grocery store. To make the jam, I'm going to add the cut strawberries to a sauce pot on medium-low heat. And I'm just using a masher here as my strawberries are cooking to help break up the berries and release their juices. Now to sweeten the jam, I'm going to add in 1 cup of honey. I'm also going to stir in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. This not only brings out the natural flavor of the strawberries, but also will help to thicken the jam. It's going to help activate the fruit's natural pectin and improve its ability to set. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally until the strawberries have thickened enough to coat the back of a wooden spoon. This took me about 30 minutes, but it'll depend on the moisture level of your fruit. You can also sprinkle in about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, just to balance out the sweetness of the jam. But that part is optional. Now my jam is ready and it's time to store it. Using a large funnel, I'm going to pour the jam into some freezer-safe jars. Make sure to leave about 1/4 inch of space at the top. This is just going to give the jam some space to expand as it freezes. If you're ready to use this jam right away, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. But for longer storage, let it cool, and then you can store it straight in your freezer. For the best flavor and texture, use it within 6 months. This homemade jam is perfect for breakfast, for topping your baked goods, or for gifting to family and friends. And I think it's the perfect way to capture the sweet taste of the strawberry season. It's quick and easy with no special equipment or ingredients required. If you've been wanting to make your own strawberry jam for your family, but you weren't feeling so great about the amount of sugar you saw on the ingredients list, this is the perfect recipe for you. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below the video. Oh, and just as a side note, we found that it is the perfect topping for strawberry sundaes. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks so much for stopping by.